Another Git command is git merge that we can look into in this part. So let's say that you have this bug fix branch that has been open for some days already, and a lot of things have been merged into master, so you're way behind the master changes in your bug fix branch. And let's also say that changes from other branches, from other developers, are needed so that you can test your bug fix in this branch. So what this means is that before you're done with fixing the bug here, you want to merge the changes from the master to your branch. So you want to pull the changes from the master branch to your bug fix branch. So the way to do that is, first of all, make sure that your local master branch is up to date. So we pull all the changes. So let's say 2 or 3 other branches have been merged to master, and now we are trying to merge that into our bug fix, right? Now let's go back to our branch. And the way to pull the changes from master in our bug fix branch is using git merge. And with git merge, we need the parameter, which is the source where we are pulling the code changes from. So this here will take the changes from master branch, merge it into our bug fix branch. This will create a new commit with merge branch master into bug fix. And now if I do git log, you see the revert test commit from master is in our branch now. And let's say I push that merge into the remote branch of bug fix. Let's say I test my changes and it all works perfectly and I'm done fixing the bug. So now I can actually create a pull request that can be merged into the master. And here we see that there are a number of commits that are different from the master branch. So we can create a merge request from here. We are going to delete the source branch when merge request is accepted. And let's say someone reviews your code in the bug fix branch and everything looks fine. And in this case, we're approving the pull request or the merge request, and we're doing the git merge that I did here or that I showed here from the UI of GitLab. So this is the same command that we executed on the command line. So with merge, we are merging the bug fix branch back into the master. So as you saw, you can do it either from UI or from command line, and you can merge any branch into any other branch. But normal case or the standard case for this is either you are merging a master branch into your feature branch or bug fix branch because you have that branch open for far too long and you need the up-to-date changes because it has diverged too much. Or you're done implementing your feature, or you are done fixing your bug, and now you're merging it back to the master branch. So these are the 2 cases where you need the merge command. And if I go back to repository, you see we have one master branch and everything has been merged. We have the git ignore. The ignored folders are also gone, and all the changes from that bug fix branch are here.